Everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll explain how to update Canva to access Magic Studio. First, make sure that you are on the browser. Within the search bar, type canva.com and make sure that you are logged in with the Canva account. Canva does not have any update button in the browser, so you are updated automatically. If the Magic Studio is available for your account, it will appear automatically. So once you are on a home screen, you will see different options at your left corner. Within it, tap the create icon. It shows different templates. You can choose any based on your preference level. Once selected, it will redirect you to a new page. Within it, look for the Magic Media. If you see Magic Media, that means that the Magic Studio is already enabled in their browser. But if you don't see the Magic Media, you can just refresh the page or you can just log out and again log in back. This may help you to load the latest Canva interface. So if you are using Canva in your browser and see Magic Media, there is nothing to update. But if you don't see, follow the step that we discussed. And that's it. This is how you can easily access the Magic Media in the Canva after updating. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.